Hi everybody, it's Mindy, and well, this is the last of my Craftibly order that was delivered to me at the retreat. Not the last order, because I have a couple more coming, but I saved this one till the end. I don't know, I didn't realize I was doing it at first, but I was like, I really wanted to do this one and then that one, but this is probably my favorite of all, I think. I don't know, I haven't opened it yet. Maybe subconsciously I was like, no, don't open it right now, because if you open it, you know you're going to want to work on it. And I don't know. I haven't opened it. You might not see it last, but it's the last one I'm filming. Anyhow, here it is. It's in their tube. You've seen the tube. I know you've all seen the tube. Telescoping, it'll get really long if you want it to get really long. Somebody said to me that they were going to use these tubes to store completed paintings in, like roll a couple of them up and put them in there. And I was like, okay, well, that would work too. But the handle's adjustable. It can get really long, and they've got the tag on the end. I mean, you know which one it is, right? I mean, you got to know. Which one haven't you seen yet? Although you might not see this last. I don't know, but it's Puppy Crazed Petunia. Yeah, you know, I'm going to want to start this. You know, I'm going to want to work on this. And I know Maritz is going to pop on here and she's going to say, do it, start it, do it. I really know I'm going to want to. That's probably a subconscious thing on my part, that I'm waiting to open it. I've got 3 other paintings going. I don't like to be in this position. Anyhow, here's what we get. Toolkit, paperwork, painting. All right. I really enjoyed watching the videos of people who went to Craftibly to help them out. It is fascinating. I would have loved to have been there. That would have been right up my alley, playing with the paintings. I would have loved it. Just loved it. Information sheet on the back tells you all of the new stuff. I think I've got 2. I do. I got 2. Anyhow, here's their information. You can call them on the phone. I mean, they're real people. They're in the office, right? And if they're not there, they call you right back. They know that you called. You don't even have to leave a message. They see your number. They call you back. The new stuff that, you get, the logbook stickers. Okay, they call it logbook sticker. Apparently Larry was calling it something else. I don't know what Larry was calling it, but Larry's one of the guys that works there. Anyhow, there you go. Here's our stickers. She has 50 colors. Holy cow. Stickers are large and in charge. I love that. You can just pull them off. I put them right on the bags because they are pre-bagged. It tells you right at the bottom what painting this is. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. And we know we have a rhinestone. All of the round kits have a rhinestone. Yeah. So here is what we call the logbook sticker with your start and finish date. Larry called it something like record keeper or something like that. Anyhow, it's an 18 by 24 inch Sheena Pike. I'm in love, love, love with the Sheena Pikes. Keep them coming, Sheena and Craftibly. Keep licensing them and producing them. There's a frog and a butterfly and a tiger one so far that are waiting in queue. So yes, love it. Just love it. Oh, I got one. I'm so excited. Okay, so a toolkit after a while is a toolkit. You've seen a toolkit. Theirs comes in this nice soft, silky burlap bag with their name on it. And then their toolkit is the white boat, tweezers. Okay, you cannot see through this bag. I know a lot of people don't take it out. They just show you through the bag, but I want you to see it. Okay, their bag, that also has Craftibly on it. Sharp tweezers, the glittery pen with a 4-placer. You get your tray, and then you get another 4-placer and a 7, I believe it's a 7, yes, wax squishy. Then you get 2 pots of wax. My washi tape is heading out on me. And they have their name on them as well. So just that alone is a super nice toolkit, right? Super nice toolkit. Lots of multi-placers, the thin ones that we like, tweezers, But then they throw in washi tapes. Okay, really? That purple one's going on this painting because I know this painting has purple. All right? And then we got Kisses, XOXO. I don't think those could match any better, even though they're random. They just throw in random washi tapes, you guys. And I got one. My cover reminder. I've been hoping I was going to get one of these guys. And I got one. Look at it's the hedgehog. Isn't it cute? So stinking cute. I got a hedgehog. Okay, really? So, this painting, this one is near and dear to my heart. It has a dachshund on it. It's like, and I got a hedgehog too. So we're clicking on all cylinders here. We're rocking and rolling. Love it. Okay, love it. All right, let's look at it. I don't know why I'm feeling kind of emotional. I just don't know why. That makes no sense. It's a painting. It's a cute painting. Why am I getting all weird about it? I don't know. Oh, goodness. All right. Find the end of my tape so I can get it out of here. Sometimes I just got to use the X-Acto knife. That's what I'm going to do. I got one here. I'm just going to cut the tape with the knife. Right here. Come on, right here. Come on, right here. There you go. Then I can peel it off. Sometimes I just can't find the end. It doesn't stick really hard or anything, but finding the end's a little tricky. Okay. You go over there. All right. Poured glue. Soft felt back. It is like a super soft felt back. There is nothing rough to that at all. Very silky soft. We got serged scalloped edges. Okay, my friends over at Craftibly, Michael, Amy, they are the nicest people. I was so blessed to be able to spend time with them and get to know them even better. I mean, I knew them pretty well just from messaging back and forth and things like that. Oh my gosh. But meeting them in person is just, they are the sweetest people. They are so dedicated to what they're doing. They have put everything they have into this: heart, soul, money, time, effort, blood, sweat, tears, you name it. They put it into this company. It's paying off. I support them to the ends of the earth. I support them because they are wonderful. And I hope you will too. All right. They are doing great things. They're up there with the big guys, we did the Sheena Pike interview, and Sheena talked about being just a small fish in the big pond and trying to compete with the big guys, the big artists. Well, she's up there too, right? She's with them. She might not feel like it, but she's with them. Craftibly's in the same boat as a company. They're up there with the big guys. They are. Okay? Go check them out. Oh, and you can use my code, Mindy15. Save a little money. Okay? But here we go. Are you ready? Oh my gosh, look at the bow on the puppy. Oh my gosh. Be still, my heart. Oh my gosh. All my favorite colors here. Purple, pink, and teal. All in one spot. All in this cute little girl with the dachshund. Yup. Just love it. I just love it. Now, if you remember Cat Crazy Chloe, she was the sister, the girl that started all of the sister thing. And she had this white, like, shiplap background, or just white background. And so I think that Michael suggested to her at one point to maybe put some colors in the background. So you'll see that there's like some bubbles, like light blue bubbles in the background to break up the pure white background. Oh, and then we have the lines across to show the individual boards. So yeah, even though that, it looks like there's a lot of plain background, it's really not. It's really not. Actually, one I opened had multiple colors in the background even. Like this one appears to be just the X and the blue, but then the lines. The other one had several colors that made up the shiplap. But oh my goodness, look at this pink and purple hair. Just, I've watched Maritza work on hers a little bit. I know she's doing a lot of blingy stuff, putting a lot more stuff in it. And I don't know if I want to. I mean, she's got 4 ABs and a rhinestone. I think I just want to work mine up just the way it is. You know what I mean? Just the way it is. We'll see where the ABs are. We'll see. But isn't she adorable? Pink and purple hair, the teal, the pink and purple flowers, the teal, the purse, just, these whiskers have got to be AB, right? Maybe not. Maybe not. I might do that. They don't look like they're AB. I might make those. Oh, no, they are. I'm sorry, they are. I had to go back up one more. I forgot I had to go up 5. So yeah, those are going to be AB. And the little spots on her glasses are AB. Oh, we'll look at all that in a minute. She just, I so badly want to work on this. But I have my Craftibly Christmas I'm working on. I've got some other Sheena Pikes I'm trying to finish up. You guys, I'm going to have to put some drills on her. Maybe just make the puppy dog. I don't know. Oh, pre-bag drills. And I believe they're all in order. Here's number 50. 50 colors. That's our rhinestone. So they are in order. Oh, here we go. Here we go. We got to look at them. We got to take them out. I'll put them back in order when I put them back in the bag. It's fine. It's just fine. But look at the purples coming out of this bag. Look. Purple, purple. So we got black and gray, but purple and purple and purple and more gray, right? What else? Purple, pink. There's my colors right there. Purple, pink. Here's gray. My guess is this is the background. Let me see. 20 is the X. Yep, this is the main background, is that gray right there. So that'll be the background. Pinks. Look at that pink. Oh, look at it. Look at this pretty green. Look at, oh my gosh. Look at all those greens. Gorgeous. All right, now we're getting to some really, really pretty stuff here. We got the grays out of the way. Now we're into the pinks. The purples, more purples. How many purples are there? Teals and purples. Oh my gosh. More teals. More teals. We're getting down to the ABs here in a second, guys. We got just a few left. All right. Okay, we're here. We're to the ABs, and they're all, oh my gosh. Oh, okay, so we have the white, and we have not 1 or 2, but 3 shades of purple AB, you guys. Love it, love it, love it. My guess is it's all like the 209, 210, 211 family. That's my guess. Which is what I'm doing on the tiger that I'm working on, the Sheena Pike. And look at the gorgeous, gorgeous rhinestone. Look at it. It's, okay, can you really see the color of it? There it is. That's the color of it. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, I need to breathe. This one, this is why I waited. This is why I waited on this one. Because I want to do it. All right, so the whites. We already know his whiskers are white. But so is the coffee mug. A lot of white ABs. On the purse is the white ABs. Around her ears, I guess, so the earrings pop out. On the glasses is the white AB. Up here. And in the dog, the puppy dog has white ABs too. Oh my goodness. I hope this bow is like all AB. Let's see. We got the check mark, the F, the T. Let's see. The check mark, the F, and it's not a T, but it's like a sideways T. So look at check mark, F, this sideways. It is. It's going to be mostly AB, the bow. Yay, yay. Check marks here. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my goodness. Do you see any more F's? Yep, F's are in her hair. Check mark, F, F. Oh my gosh. Check mark, F. Oh, wow. The glasses, check mark and F. That's all. I'm not doing anything to this. I'm doing nothing additional to this. I'm going to do it straight as it's charted. And I think it's going to be absolutely beautiful the way that it's done. All right. 4 canvases. Is that too many to have going at once? Oh, I don't even know where the rhinestones go. The rhinestones are the K. All right, where's the K? K. Down here in the flower, right here, outlining this flower. Oh my goodness, the purse. The purse is rhinestones and ABs. Oh, wow. The purse handle. Okay, do we have more Ks? Let's see. I have drills stuck to my canvas. They're hanging on. They're going for a ride. I don't see any up here in her hair, which I wouldn't expect to see any in her hair. But the flowers definitely down at the bottom have, see, it's the rhinestones. They're hanging on. They say, put me on the canvas. Put me on the canvas, right? All right. Oh, the earrings. The earrings have rhinestones. Totally doing this as charted. I'm adding nothing to it. Nothing. Not even in the lines. Nothing. It's going just like this. All right. Yep. There she is. She's so stinking cute. I just can't stand it. The bunny, I thought, oh man, I thought Bunny Lovin' Bethany was cute. Whew. You guys. Man, oh man, oh man. They are knocking it out of the park. These are fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I can't say enough. I really can't. Please, please, please. They ordered a bunch of these because she was like either the most popular or one of the most popular. She was way at the top of the popularity list. Go check it out. Okay, did I even mention that we got legends on both sides, a picture, we got all the information down here at the bottom. I think I forgot all that because I was blown away. Blown away, okay? Fourth canvas, I know it's gonna start. It's gonna start. I have to do it. I have to do it. All right. I'm gonna stop gushing now and just say, please, this will be linked below. Please go check out Craftibly. They are the most wonderful people. And they have an awesome product they have worked their tails off to get. So go check them out. All right. So thank you for watching. I will have a few more Craftibly unboxings for you because I have a couple more coming. I do have a sneak peek coming, which that will be a surprise to me because I don't know what it is. I said you choose. So we'll see what comes. But yeah, thanks for everything, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for supporting me and my friends, and I'm blessed. Thank you. All right. I will talk to you soon, and you know, pretty soon you'll see some drills on that canvas. So if I don't finish the other Sheena Pikes I got going, if I don't get my Christmas in July painting finished, what is it, the end of the world? No, it's not the end of the world. Life will go on. All right, I will talk to everybody really soon. Look at that little pouty mouth of hers. Love you guys. Bye.